Hey everyone, Alec here with Veed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to chroma key a video online. If you don't know what chroma keying is a post-production technique or a visual effect which is used to combine, so to composite multiple images or videos based on the color hues. When it comes to chroma keying, during the filming process you would use a green color, which is why people use a green screen, because green doesn't naturally match any skin tone or hair color. Now before we even begin to chroma key a video online, you need to make sure that you filmed your video correctly. Now obviously the more effort you put in during the filming process, the better the result will be during post-production. And with that being said, let's get started. So the tool we're going to be using is called Veed, so you can either head over to Google and Google Veed, which is V-E-E-D, and click on the first link. If not, as usual, the link's going to be in the description down below. Once you're on Veed, if you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create a new one for free, and if you do have an account, we're just going to click on the new project button in the top left, and now we're in Veed's video editor, and this is where we want to upload the video that we want to chroma key. So here I'm going to click on the upload video button, and now I'm just going to browse through my documents to find my video that I want to chroma key. So I've got this stock footage here, which is basically a man waving in front of a green screen. So I'm just going to select this and click on open. And as we can see now, it's been imported into Veed, and we can see the progress of the upload in the top right. So the very first thing I'm going to do is just quickly name the project. I'm going to call it Chroma Key Test, just like so. And now what we want to do basically is just remove all of the green color from this video. So to do this, we're just going to click on the video tab right here. And here at the bottom, you can see we have the Chroma Key option. And what we're going to do is just toggle it. So if I click on this toggle right here, as we can see, it's now been toggled. And we now have this color selector. So what we're going to do is actually click on this, and we're going to select the green from our video. I could select the red of his shirt. And as you can see, if I select that, then his shirt and basically his whole face is removed, because like I mentioned earlier, the reason people choose green is because it doesn't naturally match the skin tone color. But if you choose red, obviously it's very similar to the skin tone color. So we're going to choose the color selector again, and this time select the actual green. And as you can see, all of the green has disappeared. Now you may be looking at his shirt and being like, well, it's also taken some of his shirt. And this is because our sensitivity is too high. As you can see, we're currently on 54. And if I slowly bring this down, as you can see, his shirt is slowly coming back just like this. So you've got to find the exact spot. There we go. Now I think this is pretty good. And so as you can see, if I click play, as you can see, he now has no background. So what we're going to do, if I wanted to place him in a street, for an example, we're going to click on the image tab, and I'm going to upload an image that I want to put him on or put him in. So if I click on the add image button, here I've got this stock photo of a street, and if I click on open, as we can see, we now have this street right here. So what I'm going to do is just click and drag this to make it the entire canvas. And now what I actually do is just right click on it, and I'm going to put bring to back. So now, as we can see, this man is in front of the street. So if I put it back to the beginning and I click play, as you can see, we've now chroma keyed the video, we've removed the green screen, and we've put him in front of a different setting. So once you're happy with the chroma keying that you've done and you want to download your video, all you have to do is click on the export button in the top right, and Veed will start to render your project. And then once it's finished rendering, you'll be able to download it to your computer. So as you can see now, it's finished rendering. If I click play here, we have our video, and then we have the download button right here, so you can click that to go ahead and download it. Now I'm going to go back to Veed, and I'm going to show you some different techniques that you can use for the chroma keying. Chroma keying is mainly used to remove a green screen, but you can get very creative. For example, here, if I just upload a video of me skateboarding, as you can see, it's just this clip right here. If you want to have a bit of fun and create some strange effects, you can just use the chroma key. For an example, I could remove the sky just like so, and then I could increase the sensitivity. And if I wanted to, let's just say I'm going to create a shape. I'm going to create a red shape. I'm going to make the outline 0. And then let's just say we want it bright pink, just like this. If I click and drag my shape to be the entire size of the actual canvas, and then I just again bring this to back, now we have a little strange and weird effect. So if I click play now, as you can see, it's just a different kind of style, I guess. And then again, once you're happy, just click on the export button. But that is how to chroma key a video online using Veed. If you have any questions about using the chroma key tool, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. And with that being said, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.